In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Google Photos backup. So automatically, Google backup all your photos on your gallery. It back them up on Google Photos, and this is done automatically. You can stop the Google Photos from backing up your photos to Google Drive automatically, and here are the steps mark you. Before you proceed with this step, stopping Google to back up your photos will stop backing up any photo you take henceforth, while other photos will remain on your Google Photos backup. So, to stop Google from backing up photos on your Android phone or iPhone, these steps work the same on the two devices. Go to your Google Photo app on your Android phone. To access the Google Photo, you can easily use the search button and search for Photos. So, open the Photo app. Once you open the Photo app, you want to click on your profile icon at the top right. Then click on Photo Settings. There you go. Then click on Backup. Then come to Backup. Back up photos and videos from this device to your Google account. Just toggle off this. So if you found this really interesting, you want to hit the like button because this really helps us grow. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.